Hi, this is Arun. I live in Coimbatore. I run a transport logistics business and a chemical trading company. So, being in the logistics industry, I always love to explore new options or new technologies that come in. That is the reason I've gone into EV cars. So, currently I own a Volvo EV and a Mahindra EV. For me, EVs are moving ahead with technology, and my cost of travel has come down to 1/5 of the cost that I used to incur with a normal internal combustion engine. The best part about Exicom charger is it is very sleek and very compact. It is very pleasing to the eye. The added features are I just come home, connect the charger, and then I start charging with my mobile, initiate the charging, and it is as simple as that. I'm able to check the current consumption, how much the car has charged, and there are various parameters that I can control through the mobile app itself. It is as simple as that. I usually charge once every 3 days. I'm planning to move towards solar energy, so the car runs even cleaner and I get a cleaner energy. I always tell my friends and people whom I meet, EVs are about being future ready and being confident with moving ahead with technology.